Okay, yeah, so I am going to attempt to describe what I've built in a few minutes. So it is an iOS app builder plugin within a scaffolding that you kind of runs the engine. And it's just a handful of files, you could say, in folders, keeps the system moving. So the way that it works is that you fire up a new repo slash project in Codex. I can actually just go through the whole process here. So if you were in adding a new project, of course you could go from start from existing folder. You can go here and you can see a bunch of the apps I've been building. It's a lot. Get all this running. So basically what you do is you'd select your folder, and that is the repo. So basically you clone into the repo and then open up the new project there. There's a plugin inside there. You can install it into Codex there, or the system should pick up those skills right inside the repo, but I think it's better to install it as a global plugin. So yeah, once you've selected there, you clone into the repo and open it in Codex, you essentially just fire up the app. And the way you fire up the app is there's a bootstrap prompt. You could always say, hey, what do I do? But the basic idea is you have an idea for an iOS app, and you can just fill in these template fields, or you can say, hey, make me a cat babysitting app, play some fun things on your screen for your iPad screen for your cat, and it would, it would have enough information then to go fill these in for you, and it gives you a prompt. And basically, this is the way that you then prompt your session, your Codex session. You'll either prompt it here or Codex CLI. So you just basically would grab the this prompt, which is just a prompt template to fill in the a few of the app details. And the way that the app works, so is, like I said, it's a native app. It uses Swift. It builds it in Swift UI. Um, and yeah, then you would just go. You could go into your Codex session and prompt it. So this is uh, kind of the way I started this off. Is I just gave it that prompt right here into Codex. I put it in full access mode. Choose your model. And then what it does, you have to, and you can read the setup files, but basically what it does, it's a visual first design. The real unique special sauce here is that it uses a visual first design process, so you can keep adding on new screens, new features, new ideas, and it'll just continuously build on those, build overnight. And so yeah, you got to read the setup.readme to get started. It has all the software that you need, well, Xcode, Codex, Stitch, for the design layouts. And then yeah, it just brings all those in and just builds autonomously. So yeah, when you're done, it'll basically just start building apps. These are just some of them. I got a whole bunch of different apps. This is actually built. Um, so yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys build.